Hello, it's Rob again. We got the hammers cast out on the last video, and now we're going to get handles put into them. So just have a bit of a close up to the actual casting. Not a bad quality, seeing we didn't paint it, nice and smooth. And we're at Park Handles today at South Windsor, so that's the boys there. So let's go in and meet the boys. We're inside Park Handles here with Dan and Brett. I will give the hammers to Dan. He's going to put some handles in them. What size handles, Dan?
600 sledge handles will go on these. So yeah, I'll go and find some suitable ones and
Dan's going to do that. Now, we've been very lucky today. Greg's doing something really interesting, a bit old school, that I think you guys are going to be really interested in seeing. We'll also cut back and see what Dan's doing with handles. And so come with me, let's go down and see what Greg's doing.
excellent.
We're still at Park Handles. Greg's making ADZE handles.
ADZE. ADZE. ADZE.
I got it wrong, Greg gets it right. This is an old school copying lathe. How long's it been around for, Greg?
Very close to 100 years. This one's 98 years old.
You were telling me before you had photo from when it was made?
From the original Robertson catalogue in Rosedale of England, 1923 catalogue, this machine was featured.
So we've had nearly 100 years use out of it. You don't get that out of Chinese stuff. Show us how it's used, Greg. Let's see this out.
Okay, let's go. First of all, we place the billet into the machine. Fortunately, it's not going at the moment, so I can put my finger in there. And it's going to get very noisy, but that's what happens.
Thanks, Greg. That's fantastic. Now, that's an old school, what is it?
Axe.
And what do they use it for?
In the old days, they used to make, you had an axe for the side of the railway sleeper and the adze for the top. And that's how they levelled off the top of the piece of wood. So first they'd cut it in a pit with a big two-handed saw, and then they'd trim it the size on an axe on the sides and an adze on the top.
So, and I dare say you'll never ever see that again. All right, so thanks for that, and we'll go back and see how our hammers come out. All right, thanks, Greg.
Pleasure, mate. Thanks for coming.
All right, thank you. Okay, we're back with Dan. He's found the sledgies for us, the sledge handle, and he'll fit them. So check out what Dan's doing.
Found handles suitable. I'm going to cut a slot in them, make them fit better when you get them in. Bit of noise. Now seeing that we haven't got quite a good fit, we've got to go around to the Larissa sander and bring the heads down so they fit nicely. So basically I want to size the head of the handle to the hole of the tool. It's got a pretty good fit now, but it's still got a bit to go. So I'm going to take a bit of this shoulder out and it should fit better. there. A little bit more. Then with force, it'll tip. Okay. There, right, we'll do a couple of cuts. There we go. Yeah, nice solid sound. That's on. So we'll go over and wedge that later. I'll just kick the cut off. This one's probably going to have to do a little bit more because we haven't got quite as good a fit. So we'll see how we go. A little bit to go. Probably, I reckon we could probably force that down. There we go. Oh, see, it changed already. Yeah, we're down. Alright, we'll go around, pick some wedges, check them for width. Yeah, beautiful. Go into the workstation. When you're wedging, you always want to have a piece of wood under your handle. Otherwise, you're just going to split your handle on the concrete. Get started. Basically, going to just demolish the wedge as best you can. Yeah, that's pretty wedged in there. We'll cut that off clean. That's pretty clean. It's in there pretty solid. You could put a metal cross wedge across your wooden wedge if you really wanted. I don't think you really need it for a aluminium head. It's pretty tight on there. So we'll just do the other one, see if that one's pretty as clean. There's my basket. Looks just as clean. Oh, you lifted, that's all right. As again, you could probably wedge that as well, metal wedge that, but I don't think it really needs it. Now we'll just go and cut off your little curls and it's all done. This bit's not really required, but it just cleans the handle up, cleans the look up. There's one. There's two. Alright, and I'll just take advantage at the moment and put our little labels on those handles. There we go. All done.
Okay, well, the hammers are finished. Thanks very much. A beautiful Australian product. All right, we haven't shown you the application for that yet, but we'll show you soon. So just come and have a bit of a close up to the hammer. Very lightweight, easy to use. And as I said before in the other videos, these hammers work like a golf club. They're light, they have a big impact because you can swing them very far. And I just want to show you how industry all connects together. I was just fishing around here while the hammers are putting in. This is a steel, what do you call it?
Yeah, it's a handle for a, what do they call those guys? Blacksmith.
Blacksmith handle. We cast this in a SG iron for Greg, and this is his die to make those handles. So from my foundry to here to wooden handles, and that's how that process used to work. And as you'll find that a lot of industries connect together. So it's just good to see one of my products in somebody else's workshop.
Yeah,
so,
you made that for me and I can make that for you.
And that's how things go around. So thanks for watching us, and don't forget, buy Australian.
Yeah.